Hey guys, looky here. Erin Klossner, she sent me a box of beef patties with color added. It says, keep frozen. And she sent them to Florida where they could sit on my porch all day in the heat. Not really. But I did get my auction things from Erin. Look at the goodies. Ooh, boy. So what did I get from Erin? No beef patties. I got country style quilts and some stickers. I didn't hit snooze, I never do. I like to drink coffee and pretend I know what I'm doing. Absolutely I do. I am in love with this book, Country Style Quilts. Look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. Oh my goodness. And Miss Maggie Gillis, I am so glad you got rid of your book, because it's mine now. Oh, look. Fabulous. Look. Look, 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 look. Isn't that going to make a beautiful journal card? Yes, it is. Oh my, I can't wait to just sit with this book forever. Oh, look. Oh, look, it shows you how to make the little people. They're too cute. I might have to make a bunch of these. Look at the little truck. Oh my goodness. So much goodies in here. And look. Perfect for journal cards. Guys, whenever you look at books or magazines, look and say, can I copy that? And what can I use it for? Because there's so many things you don't have to buy. Look at this whole center section here of patterns. Woo-hoo! Yes, indeed. Miss Kathy's going to be doing some sewing. Oh, yes. Oh, I love them. Hey, these are like the flowers Mary Forster's making on her quilt. Look at there, Mary. There's your flowers. But she's so good, she doesn't need a pattern. She does it from memory. Oh, my. Oh, look at the little chickens. Love, love, love them. Oh, boy. I am going to have so much fun with this book. I am going to use this book to death. Wow. I was happy when I won that bid. And then there's all kinds. Oh yeah, this is the sheet bundle. These are different vintage sheets for your bed that has been cut up into squares. And these make great backings for just about any project you're working on. So yeah, that's what I got from Miss Erin. I am in love with my book. Love, love, love it. So, guys, if you are looking for cheap craft supplies and you need to build up your stash, go to other crafters' auctions. Not everybody's going to send you a box of beef patties, but you will get some good deals. See you soon. Bye-bye.